बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। माय नेम इज सईदा रज़ा। आई एम स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 3। माय स्कूल नेम इज फैजान इस्लामिक स्कूल सिस्टम। Today we will do maths basics. In maths basics we will see subtraction of variable part 1. We need to follow two conditions, same variable and same power. Now addition of two conditions we need to follow 2, and the first condition same sign add, and second condition different sign subtract. Now we will come to first example. Now see, same variable and same power. First of all, these same variable, look, same variable and same power, same power. And one thing, you know what these number codes? Coefficient. They called coefficient. Now we will see same sign add and different sign subtract. Look, we need to do rough work. No, rough work. First of all, we will write these coefficients. Write down. I have done write down the coefficients. Now, different sign we will minus. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now see, 2 comes here, and which is big number? Look, 4 is big number, which is big number sign. It is minus. Now minus will become, and z square will become 2. And this is our answer. Now we will come to next example. Now see, this is my question, and I tell you again we will do the rough work. Now, I tell you what they called coefficient. The coefficient we will write here again, and you will not do rough work. You cannot do it cannot possible. Now, different sign we will minus. 7 to 2 means 5, and 5 will become here. Now, which is biggest number? Which is biggest number? Seven is the biggest number. 7 has plus sign. The plus sign has been come, and y and 3. The plus sign already it is hidden. That's why I will remove it. Now, see the difference of the answer. This have minus 2 z square, and this have plus 5 y cube. Now, okay, Allah Hafiz. No subscribe, no like, only share.